Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 7, 2019. Your source of news before any trade decision, to give you all the news according to the charts rather than looking at articles and trying to determine which direction cryptocurrencies are going to move. Okay, we're going to talk about XRP and this article right here on the left side of my screen. Just saw this today, was posted to the internet today, talking about fake news coming out about Ripple acquiring MoneyGram, but instead it gave XRP a price boost. Okay, so we're going to digest this article, look at some of the words pertinent to market sentiment regarding pushing the price higher and or lower throughout this article, and we want to see if it's going to translate over to the price chart, and then we'll give you our price prediction. That's what we expect the market in XRP to do. So thank you all for viewing this video. Make sure you all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification as well, so you become notified of when we upload our simplistic to understand video content. So now let's go ahead and go through this article right here. All right, so after a rumor broke out yesterday that a California-based crypto startup Ripple had acquired the major US-based money transfer company called MoneyGram, both companies have refused to comment. Still, even the rumor was enough for a 8% price boost for XRP. Yesterday, someone on Twitter called the Crypthawk circulated some news about Ripple acquiring MoneyGram. You can see right here in the tweet. This is when that tweet came out around 8:09 in the morning, June 5th, 2019. But it was quickly found out that that Twitter handle was in fact associated with two different type of scams. One was a Ponzi bot and the other was a fake ICO hardware wallet. Even though that news came out, rumored, both companies have stated that they do not comment on speculations and rumors as a rule, but should there be any official news, they'll be the one to let the public know about it. Okay? It's not going to be on some other person's Twitter feed regarding a massive acquisition of that particular nature. Those companies will be the one to relinquish that information to the public. Okay? Now, with that rumor coming out on this particular Twitter feed, it's obvious that the intention was to try to create some euphoric movement higher in price. Because if you can recall, right here on the 3rd and the 4th of June, the market in XRP has seen a dramatic movement to the downside. Now you look here on this fake news Twitter feed that that Ripple acquired MoneyGram would definitely try to spruce up some excitement and movement higher for the XRP cryptocurrency. Going down a little bit further, there actually is a MoneyGram Ripple partnership. So now listen, why would a tweet come out in the market to try to create some excitement for XRP tokens when in fact there is already a relationship with Ripple and MoneyGram? It tells you right here in this paragraph, Ripple and MoneyGram had been collaborating in the past. In 2018, they signed a partnership in order to improve the payments sector. MoneyGram decided to integrate the XVIA product released by Ripple, and that was 2018. So these two companies are already collaborating and in partnership regarding money transfer systems. 4 weeks ago, you can see right here that Visa announced that it has acquired control of Earthport. That company, Earthport, has a payments network with banking relationships in 87 countries and is a Ripple partner as well. Visa said they are planning to use its network, XRP, Ripple, to create an alternative to Swift payments. So could this be the reason why XRP is seeing a euphoric movement higher in price? Not the MoneyGram Ripple partnership or buyout, but the Visa Earthport use of Ripple's payment system. The market size for money sent by wire transfer or bank accounts globally is $80 trillion. This article goes on to show you once again that somebody else is coming out with some more news. Very eager to try to pump up this price for XRP. Yesterday, a website called Smarterium decided to publish news about the Vice President of American Express, Colin O'Flaherty, confirming the company was officially using Xcurrent, a blockchain-based financial solution from Ripple Incorporated. So now, another Twitter feed tried to come out to pursue higher prices for XRP. This is the Twitter feed right here that XRP Canada sent out. It seems someone is really eager to pump the XRP price because launching of fake information is not just bad for reputation, but also illegal. So now, what do you think was the reason why we saw XRP move about 8% to the upside yesterday? Could it be because of the Visa Earthport using Ripple's payment system? Could it be the acquisition of Ripple buying out MoneyGram? Or could it be Xcurrent being integrated in American Express infrastructure? Those are literally three things that came out almost simultaneously to try to excite the market in XRP. See, this is one reason why we do not pursue articles in the cryptocurrency space, even in any financial instrument. Okay, we only pay attention to the price chart because it tells you the actual mindset of all the participants in the space. So once you understand the price charts, you'll also understand what's the likelihood of these currencies moving in a particular direction. Okay, so now let's talk about what we see in the market for XRP. Daily time frame in the market for XRPs, you guys can tell the market did not come into our expectation when we did our video on June 4th. Definitely the market in XRP turned against us, so it happens, but nevertheless you continue to move on to the next trade and you don't let that affect you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that and see how the market in XRP is really going to be trading. So you can recall the market in XRP on the 3rd and the 4th of June saw massive increases in volume. The next following 3 days, including today's trading day, where is the volume going? Yes, the market is moving to the upside, but there is not a lot of participation going on in the market to insinuate that this actual upside movement that we've seen in XRP is a positive one. And I went ahead and I've drawn this ascending line in this space for XRP. This is a very crucial point in the market for XRP. You can tell that we held support during the midpoint of May 2019. We bounced from that line here on the 23rd. We bounced from that line once again on the 26th of May. We closed on this ascension line on the 3rd of June. We couldn't break above it on the 4th of June. And again, we couldn't break above it on the 6th. And we're trying once again to break above this ascending line. So this area in the market in XRP is crucial to determine the actual strength in the market for XRP. Okay. So now let's break it down to a smaller time frame real quick. And as you can tell, that the market on the 3-hour time frame in XRP is still getting some stockpile coming in around this ascension line. So the current movement in XRP looks to be getting tired. I am expecting it to try to come up here just a little bit higher, right there around that 44-cent price, and then see some continuation of movement to the downside. And that's what's going on as of this particular recording. And you can tell on the 1 hour bars that the volume came in on these two 1 hour bars. Tells us that the sellers are coming into the market right now as we speak around that 43-cent price, 43.5-cent price. Okay, so it was a very good movement to see XRP hit that particular price, but literally caution is warranted in the market for XRP right now. The market has to absorb all of that stockpile that is coming in on those last 2 hours. Okay, and that simply means that 42.5 cents has to be maintained as support in order to see that continuation of strength in the market. So definitely right now, the market is still indicating to us some potential movement higher. I can see it trying to hit that 43.5, 44-cent price, but that's about it. And then I will see a continuation of movement to the downside. Okay. So as of right now, I will be expecting the market in XRP to give us a slight decrease in price. We have a fantastic run up ever since the 6th of June to where the market in XRP have came right back into this consolidational trading range. Overall, we really didn't change too much from what we were doing here in the beginning of June. Okay, so yes, possibility that the market in XRP can hit 35.5 cents, 44 cents. But again, once we get up to that particular level, I wouldn't expect the market to really change too much. So now, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and create a sell position in the market in XRP. Okay, because I really don't expect the market to try to break above this ascending line. Now, I'll hold it at 44 cents, but not too much higher than that. Okay. Now let's see how low we expect it to move to the downside. So what do you think about 40 cents? I can see 41 cents being a support area. Let's see how much that will be of simulated profit in XRP. About 4.5%. So we're going to hold that there. This is what we're expecting the market in XRP to do. We can see it moving higher, but around that 44-cent price, we'll be expecting some sellers to come to the market and push this cryptocurrency price down. And the two support areas is going to be either 42 cents or 41 cents. Okay, but again, we're looking for some weakness to come in to push XRP down. That's our analysis. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion, and tell us if you think that fake news or the rumors and speculation about the partnerships and other company utilizing Ripple as a payment source transfer service is actually pushing this currency XRP to higher prices. Check us out at our website HueFinancial.com in order to participate in our packages. Definitely all of our members are benefiting from our analysis to give them a forewarning of impending danger or excitement. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.